Hi, my name's Angharad Rayner. I'm the Site Director at Trawsfynydd Site for Nuclear Restoration Services. So we actively recruit apprentices throughout the year, throughout Nuclear Restoration Services. There's a variety of different apprentice schemes, ranging from level 2 up to level 6, which is degree level apprenticeship. And the careers are things such as mechanical, electrical, health physics. We've also got procurement and also some corporate opportunities too. Well, to start with, there'll be peer-to-peer support working alongside experienced nuclear professionals. This will involve working on first-of-a-kind nuclear projects. In addition to this, there'll also be a team leader dedicated to be able to support the apprentices throughout their time with NRS. There's also the early career learning support, and there is also the allowance to be able to have that learning time within the college. Lastly, we have a thriving young persons network as well as a STEM group within NRS. So the starting salary will range depending on the level of apprenticeship that you do. So it ranges from 15,000 up to 19,000 as a starting salary. There is a review within the first 6 months, and also there is pay progression year on year during the apprenticeship scheme. The type of skills that individuals will gain along their apprenticeship will vary depending on which apprenticeship that they choose, but there are some core skills that each of them will develop along the way. These are things such as communication skills, team working, and a really important one for us is the ability to be able to deliver work safely across the sites. In addition to this, it's about working collaboratively across different groups, so across the programmes and the enablers as one team to safely deliver a project. In addition to all these key skills, these individuals will get 3 to 4 years work experience within the nuclear sector, whilst getting paid and also having an accredited qualification at the end of this experience.
My name is Hugh Townley and I work for RWE as a wind turbine technician apprentice. I chose to do an apprenticeship in the low carbon industry because it's a growing industry and I'm also concerned about the future and what the future holds, and I feel like this is a sure way that I can make a bit of an impact. In my daily work, we usually do college studying, so we'll do practical work and then there's also assignments that we do. So in the practical work, we do a lot of drilling and hands-on stuff, and then assignment work, we do more the health and safety side and the less interesting parts, but it still needs to be done as health and safety is an important part. I'm in college 5 days a week, and then off-term times, I am on site and we usually do more hands-on stuff there. So actually going up wind turbines and watching the more experienced technicians and engineers do what they do, and also doing a bit of servicing, maintenance on the turbines. The part of the job that I enjoy more is definitely working on the turbines, getting up there, getting some experience. Yeah, there's loads of different things that you can do. It's not just engineering, there's also different parts of it, like RWE do more IT sides and stuff like that to the job, but also being enthusiastic about it and understanding what risk we are at for climate change. What I enjoy most about studying at the college is definitely the practical side. I really enjoy the workshop stuff. So we do a lot of drilling, like filing and stuff that you will actually be doing on site. So it's good to get that experience here. So you need to definitely be a bit of a problem solver, understand issues that are happening and see ways that you can solve them. And then also I'd say you've got to be able to work in a team, because there's a lot of things that require more than one person to do up in the wind turbine. And then also you've got to understand the health and safety risks that there are up in the wind turbine.